Miley and Tiffany are playing with dolls together. Miley likes Barbie more, but Tiffany likes Brad's dolls. Oh, something went wrong. They didn't want to share a dollhouse. I know what to do. I'll make my own house. And I will make mine too. I can definitely do better than Tiffany. Let's take a glue gun. Gluing the walls together for my future dollhouse. I will have a 3-story house. Perfect. I already love it. Nice. It needs to be secure. Tiffany, can you do that? Of course. I'm gonna do even better. My house will actually have a roof. Let's start coloring it. There will be a window right here. Ooh! Hey, what's that? Hello, neighbor! Ah! Oh! You ruined my makeup! Really? It didn't get any worse. Tiffany, I'm not coming near you anymore. Let me paint my house pink. Here's a brush and paint. Wow! I need to cover everything with pink color. It looks so beautiful. My Barbie will love it. Ugh, terrible pink color. Bratz and I have our own favorite color. We love purple. I'm gonna make it fast. Just pouring paint over the house. I don't like wasting lots of time. Nice. Wow, girls, your houses already look so pretty. What's the next step? I'm gonna put frames for the windows. It looks so much better this way. Boring. I have purple window frames. Let's add some decorations for the dollhouse itself. This crown looks wonderful. I like it. And I'm so thrilled! I've got a heart! Girls, you're doing a great job. Come on. What should I do on the ground floor? I know. Let's make a living room. Oh yeah, here's an armchair, a table, some shelves, a fireplace, of course. It gives so much comfort, and a TV. A carpet, of course. Rats, do you want to see how I've set up your living room? It suits you so well. Let me take a picture. Perfect. Here's our photo. Wow. That is beautiful. This portrait should definitely be in your living room. All the guests will be inspired. Miley? And here's a pink living room for my Barbie. Oh, let's not forget about the car. We're gonna have a garage. What, Tiffany? Nothing. Ooh, an idea. I won't just have a car. I will have a helicopter. We're gonna put it right next to the house. Miley, watch out. Wow, I did not expect that. Yeah, my Bratz is so cool. A car and a helicopter. Interesting. I'll make a kitchen for my Barbie. Look at this beautiful set. I love it. Here's a fridge. And a plant, of course. Let me open my drawers and fill them in. Incredible! Wow! I already love it so much! Time to fill the fridge. Wow! Barbie has a lot of groceries and a lot of food. There's all types of food. Awesome! Love it! Tiffany! What? My brats got hungry and decided to cook for herself. It's a piece of cake for her. A fried egg. Nice. Let's add some more goodies, and we can have breakfast. Do you like it? Awesome. My doll is also a great cook. Look, she's made herself a pizza. Come on, Barbie. It is delicious. Great! Girls, you're having fun. It remains to make a bedroom. We need a pink carpet. And I am going to have a blue carpet. Big deal. Look at my Barbie's royal bed. Now let's add stickers to the walls. My bed is also incredible. And a Bratz logo on the wall. Oh, I'll do something too. Here's a rack with clothes. I have a chest drawer. Nice. This is absolutely perfect. What do you think, Bratz? She's definitely excited to live here. Oh yeah, let's have a party. What? My Barbie knows how to have fun too. Come on. How do you like your room? You chose a beautiful outfit. This dress is gorgeous. Oh, I know what we should do. Miley, let's play dress-ups together. Wow! This looks beautiful. I love this outfit too! Girls, are we having a fashion show? This is definitely the best thing I've ever seen. One outfit is better than the other. You're both very beautiful. Incredible! Look at all of those outfit choices. Tiffany, you and I are so beautiful. Couldn't agree more. Guys, make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you very soon. Bye!